Hi friends, welcome to the Blue Station. So you'll notice this station will be completed in 3 days, and I have the days broken down here for you, and then I also have them broken down by folder, okay? So 3 things we're going to do in this station. We're going to complete our political map of Africa. We are going to add some physical features to our political map of Africa, and then we're also going to do some notes on physical features of Africa as a whole. Okay, so in your station packets, you should have 2 things for the Blue Station. A giant map of Africa printed on 11 by 17 paper, so it's big, that you will use for the Africa map, adding the countries and then adding the physical features. And then you will have a blue handout that is for the notes for physical features of Africa. Okay, so as you go into each folder, there will be directions for each day and what you're going to complete. So here's the list of countries that we are going to complete or add to our Africa map. Day 2, we're going to add some physical features to our Africa map. So if you click on day 2, you'll see that listed there, and then some resource maps. And then day 3, we will do those physical features notes. So I give you some resource maps in Schoology, but if you want to look up other maps, if you think those are more helpful, that's an option as well. And then you'll see in day 3, I have the slideshow for your notes for physical features of Africa, that blue handout in your station packet, okay? The other thing, if you finish the station early at all, I have a link to do map practice for Africa because we will quiz on those countries or some of them and physical features eventually. Okay, so if you finish early, that's what you should be working on. If you have questions, try to utilize people in your group as much as possible, so other people that are in the blue group with you. I know you're working individually, but you should all be sitting in the same area. So try to utilize those people and ask them for help if you need help. Ask your group members first. If you still are stuck, you can come ask me. Just don't interrupt me if I'm teaching in my group. Wait until my students are working on something and I'm not actually talking with them to come over and ask me for help. Otherwise, good luck.